Hello guys, welcome to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to look into the precedence of arithmetic operators. So, what is precedence of arithmetic operators means? The order in which the operation should be performed. And in that precedence, we are going to see associativity. That is, in which direction it should be performed. That is, from left to right or from right to left. Okay. If the expression is of the same precedence, the order of evaluation will be left to right or right to left as per the conditions. Okay, so now let's get into the video. First I'll write the operators and then their associativity. Okay, so the first operator that is having the first precedence is brackets, that is parenthesis, and this parenthesis will be performed from left to right. This means if there are two parentheses, the left one will be performed first and the right will be performed second. And the next one is power. The power will be performed from right to left. That is, if we give a value as this means right to left, which means it goes in this direction. So it will be 10 power 2 power 2. So this is 10 power 4, which is equal to 10,000. Okay, the next one is unary operators. Unary operators means plus x and minus x. So this will be performed from left to right. This means plus 5 and minus 5. So obviously it will be from left to right. That is just the signing of the integers. Okay. The next one is multiplication, division, floor division, and modulus. This will be from left to right. And finally, it is the binary addition and binary subtraction. So plus and minus. And the associativity of this also is from left to right. So I'll give you a simple example. It is 10 plus 5 minus 8 by 2. Okay, so according to the precedence, I'll write the precedence here. So this is the precedence of the arithmetic operators. So in this expression, which precedence comes first is 8 minus 8 by 2 comes first. Okay, this will be evaluated first and then plus and minus. Okay, so this will be evaluated second, and completely this 1 and 2 will be completely evaluated in the third step. Okay, so first let's see 10 plus 5 minus 8 by 2 is 4. Okay, and now when it comes to 10 plus 5 minus 4, it is evaluated from left to right. So 10 plus 5 will be evaluated first. Okay, so it is 15 minus 4. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So this is the answer. And when we do the division, it will become 4.0. Okay, and here also it will become 4.0. Finally the answer will be 11.0. Okay, and now let's see another expression. So this is the expression that has to be evaluated now. Now let's write in which order it will be evaluated. So this will be evaluated first. Okay, exponent is the only operator that is evaluated from right to left. Okay, so this will be evaluated from right to left. So it will be 2 power 2, and then again 2 power 4 will be evaluated. So this is second, and after that 3 by 4 is the next precedence. So this will be evaluated third, and then finally this completely will be evaluated. Okay, and then it will be added with the 15, that is for the first number. Okay, so this is the precedence of the operator. And now let's evaluate the expression. It will be 15 plus 3 by 4 into 10 power 4. Okay, and then it will be 15 plus 3 by 4 into 10,000. And now the next one is 3 by 4, so 15 plus 0.75 into 10,000. So now it will be 15 plus 7,500, and this will give you 7,515. Okay, so this is the answer. And now we'll execute this inside PyCharm. So now I have opened PyCharm and created a project, Precedence of Operators. Now let's try the same problem inside PyCharm. So I'll type result is equal to 10 plus 5 minus 8 by 2 and print result. Okay, now I'll execute this. The answer is 11.0 as we have discussed already. And now we'll see the second problem, that is 15 plus print result is equal to 15 plus 3 by 4 into 10 power 2 to the power 2, and I'll print result. So the answer is 7,515.0. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you. Like this video if you have tried this code, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.